Introducing Yarn Appearance Board Winder. A yarn appearance board winder is a specialized piece of equipment used in the textile industry to assess the appearance, quality, and uniformity of yarns. This tool helps manufacturers and quality control specialists evaluate the consistency and detect any defects in the yarn before it is used in further textile processes. It supports manufacturers in maintaining high standards and achieving customer satisfaction by providing reliable and uniform yarn products. Feel free to contact us using any of the contact details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.